You could have profited millions of dollars if you had invested in cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and Binance Coin at their all time lows and sold them when they reached their all time highs. Which is why for today's video here at Data Dash, we'll show you three coins that we think are going to be worth $3 million in the next bull run. And we'll explain it further, so make sure to watch till the end. But before we go on, please go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and bell button if you want to see more of our future uploads as we go on. But besides that, let's get started. A pioneering coin from another country. The first of your three coins will be swapped for a different one on Sunday. All of these coins will soon be starting a conversation soon because they have a great potential return, but also a high potential risk. But bear in mind that they are quite erratic and subject to wide swings in price. But here are the reasons why we think Sunday Swap is undervalued and will experience explosive growth in the next bull market. Sunday Swap is now Cardano's most popular and widely used decentralized trade protocol. Sunday Swap is an automatic liquidity provision and decentralized exchange that is natively scalable. Decentralized exchanges, in our opinion, are likely to explode in popularity. Since it is already the most popular decentralized cryptocurrency platform on Cardano, it also has the marketing and branding advantages that come with being the first mover. In addition to having a fully staffed docs team and many advisors, SunnySwap now has the full backing of a world-class venture partner. SundaySwap is fairly similar to other decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and PancakeSwap if you're unfamiliar with how decentralized exchanges function and what they truly are. In this section, you'll be able to link your financial institution account. You can see that wallets come in a wide range of styles and designs. In support of Cardano, with a focus on Nami. You can see the Sunday token right here. And if you wanted some, you'd have to swap ADA for them. One ADA currently buys about 18 Sunday tokens. Sunday Swap has almost 200,000 followers, which is great. And the community aspects is another plus. And they're always offering up fresh improvements and suggestions. Both the overall volume traded and the total value locked are additional important variables to keep an eye on. You can observe that there are only $7 million in circulation right now, with over $100,000 in daily trade volume. Really, this is where most of the action occurs and what cryptocurrencies are all about. And the goal of any investment strategy is to make a profit. The catch is that nobody can predict with any certainty where these assets will end up, especially these brand new, very speculative coins. Sunday Swap has dropped from its record high of 24, reached 11 months ago, to a record low of 0.011. Keep in mind that these are simply our thoughts on the matter. You should not put more money at risk than you can afford to lose. So take the time to learn the facts. For all these reasons, Sunday Swap should be your go-to cryptocurrency for trading three coins for $3 million. Now, as we told you, decentralized trading is set to explode with the introduction of Sunday Swap. We have faith that Cardano-based projects like Rodato will eventually help to decentralize the gaming sector. If you didn't already know, the gaming industry is worth billions of dollars, and Rodato makes it possible to gamble with cryptocurrencies without needing special authorization or funding. Rodato is similarly multi-chained, with a goal of providing a community-driven, open protocol for facilitating the creation, play, and funding of decentralized casino games. If you do it right, you can build a nice passive income stream from it. An additional fact about Rodato is that it uses the immutability of the blockchain to ensure everything is fair. With greater transparency and security, all games can be verified to be completely fair. They are in accordance with the law, cheaper, and offer immediate rewards. Moreover, Rodado has kept on developing and innovating despite the bad market, and they are still the home of decentralized gaming and the provider of best in class experiences based on a variety of blockchains. Meanwhile, as the RDT token is only available on Uniswap and PancakeSwap at the moment, it will soon be available on additional blockchains and decentralized exchanges. The market cap for all Rodado tokens is merely $7 million, as shown by the price and volume charts. One token now costs 3.6 cents. Moreover, there are currently 204 million in circulation and a total of 500 millions issued. Now, during November 2021, this was the absolute high point at the last bull market. Thus, the fact that this cryptocurrency's value is down 97% from 2 years ago suggests that it has tremendous potential for growth, along with extreme volatility. Yet the fact that Sir Dick Hacken has audited this cryptocurrency project and that it has been backing of prominent figures like crypto banters Morales makes it hard to ignore. In addition to being one of Cardano's underappreciated initiatives, they also have a fully developed road plan of what's to come in the future and a fully doxed staff that shares the same value as IOHK. The fact that it was successful in getting off the ground is also proof that there is probably still a lot more to come from this endeavor. This is why you're getting a second coin, and we appreciate Rodado's support in making this feature possible. Now, Dogechain will be the third and last currency to reach $3 million. Dogechain is an extension of the Dogecoin protocol that allows for the use of crypto apps like NFTs, games, and DeFi within the Doge currency ecosystem. Here are a few things you can do with Dogechain that you can't accomplish with a physical Dogecoin. Dogechain is an additional layer on top of Dogecoin that allows users to take part in NFT games and DeFi that are unavailable otherwise. Now, another neat feature of Dogechain is that users can pay for petrol using Dogecoin. Dogecoin users who are sick of huddling together will find value in Dogechain. Similarly, transactions on the Dogechain are processed quickly and at very little cost. Tokens on the Dogechain can be staked for a return of about 16 tokens on the Dawn chain must be bridged using their bridge in order to be transferred there. As of now, Dogechain has dropped 10% to 0.00016, but if you look at the maximum chart, you can see that it has gained 300% from its all-time high during the past few months. With a market valuation of under $26 million and 85,000 followers on their official Twitter, this cryptocurrency is also quite volatile. If we had to choose between the two, we'd put our money onto Dogechain, since we're interested in profiting from its eventual rise in value and can stand the accompanying uncertainty. That's why we believe Dogechain's value could increase by a factor of 100 in the near future. As a result, you now get the full picture. You can get $3 million with the help of this video. First, there was Dogechain. Second, there was SundaySwap. And third, there was Rodato. Now, so far, let us know what you think about these three. But if you have other better crypto coins in mind, then don't hesitate to share them in the comment section below, and we might as well include them in our next video. This is Data Dash, and we thank you for watching. Now, before you go, please go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and bell button to stay ahead for more of our helpful crypto uploads for you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.